Having served as, let me first also respect the family. Yagwa Mthembu. We happen to be related, the family of Mthembu. But besides that, we're neighbors. They are just behind me. My house, they are just behind me. Even though working with you, Sasaka is total. So, sekudala kusikhona lapha. Idasho bangabekhola ntweni ezintsha. Manje nokufuna ukumvakashela ezinye izinjanisi. Ungabe lolutho umvakashela. Ake ngikhulume kancane ngesathu ngale region. I-process yokulontsha isathu kwakade kune-structures azikhona before ezahlukene. Kodwa formally this region was launched in 1995. Myself and Martin Kumalo were the first. He was the chairperson, and then I was the secretary. Then there were other colleagues, comrades, like Ubabu Manjola, who has been the director. He was the deputy chair. Comrade Martin. At the time, Siloji Satu, we were given a task by Comrade Udean Mabuyapu. As Ulonja, the region, we must penetrate in Dao, Lido de Natanza, Kwangangeni, Musu. The process of Americans should have started before 1994, but because there were going to be elections, there was a decision which is delay, and immediately after the elections, then was a Wakiwa region. It became Northern Natal region. In our constitutional memory, Nade Union, where it comes from. Umasiaka, our elections, I said figure around 1994, but we're preparing for our elections in 1999. Then what was I there to cast in the assignments, niggas all come to Ndaba Tabaza, who was the provincial secretary, to then start recruiting and move towards Ulungu and the number. We tried to start Governor Chubunzima, this is Kalema Kelly, Saisungaz, number of Ulungu. Yakubul Sakala Sawa Lonja, Paul Petersburg branch, from the people Udumzani Chof, who is now the district director. Sao Lonja Opogol, the idea of Comrade Chechi, who is now the deputy director of Lapaya. We went on and went on Sawakama regions. Where Sisia Zamkolun, the government we then went to Melmoth. Sao Lonja branch Melmoth, Sao Lonja Ushaka branch. Because this region was stretching from Beckville, Ikabonongoma, Pongola, Paul Petersburg up to Newcastle. So this was the region that we were.